Greetings fellow koi lovers, it's Brett from KRAZY, bringing you another informational video. This evening I'm going to review a project that I completed last year to enable remote cleaning of a Nexus 220 filter that we have running. So let's get to it. Okay, so to start off with, those of you either familiar with the Nexus 220 or 230 realize that Evolution Aqua sells an automatic cleaning system, which costs about $1,500 to $1,600. You can set up a schedule and it cleans the Nexus automatically. It's a nice system, but at the time, I didn't want to fork out another $1,400, which was the cost. I still wanted a way to clean the Nexus 220 remotely while we were away on vacation. So the system that I built is remote control, but it's not automatic. So I need a way to see the Nexus when I'm running the clean cycle. And I do this by utilizing a WISE camera that's mounted in the filter house. And I watch the cleaning tube position and watch the water level on the Nexus. So once the water is at the correct level, I turn off the inlet pump. And a check valve prevents backflow to the sieve. I usually clean the Nexus like every 7 to 10 days because the Cetus Sieve does a real nice job of taking a lot of the material out before the Nexus. And as far as the pond goes, it's approximately 2,800 gallons. Maximum depth is only 38 inches, which was deeper. There's a 4-inch bottom drain that gravity feeds the Cetus Sieve, and that's located in a pit that puts the top of the sieve at pond water level. And from there, the water is pumped up to the inlet of the Nexus 220. And full pond specs and equipment details can be found at the end of this video. I'm not covering any of the wiring for the relays as part of this video, but you can find that information out there pretty readily. I certainly will answer any questions that you post. So at this point, let's take a quick video tour of the pond, and then I'll meet you out at the pump house to show you the Nexus. Okay, so here we are in the pump house looking at the Nexus 220 from the WISE camera, and the first thing that needs to be done is to open up the case app and press the power button for the linear actuator, which will lower the cleaning tube to seal off the inner chamber. This takes a little while to travel down. Once the tube bottoms out, we'll need to switch the air supply from the outer tube to the inner tube by activating the power to the three-way diverter valve. That's the orange valve off to the left of the screen right now. Keeping an eye on the water level, and once it's a few inches from the top, the main pump is turned off, along with the secondary pump, and that's located in the settlement tank which feeds the Bakki shower. Let the air agitate, as you see now, the media in the inner chamber for about 5 minutes, and once that's done, close the 1.5-inch motorized valve to drain the dirty water from the unit. You can see the water draining out now. Once the water is drained, we close the drain valve and divert the air back to the outer chamber, and then turn the main pump back on, as well as the Bakki shower pump. The Nexus will start filling up, and then once it's 2 inches from the top, we'll turn off the power to the actuator, and then begin raising the cleaning tube from the inner chamber. And this equalizes the water in the unit. So depending on how dirty the Nexus is, sometimes I'll clean the unit twice, just go over the cycle, repeat the cycle again, and that's about it. That's how you clean a Nexus 220 remotely with about $450 worth of components. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit like and be sure to subscribe for more KRAZY videos coming your way. Thanks for watching.